The consonant sounds L and R. The sound L. Late, lost, lake, leaves, love. Middle sound glass, animal, shelf, film, glasses. Read and point. Late, lost, lake, leaves, love. Glass, animal, shelf, film, glasses. Ask and answer. What animal do you like? I like elephant. Who do you love most? I love my mom most. How many books do you have in the shelf? I have 10 books. Do you like watching films? Yes, I do. How many glasses of water do you drink every day? I drink 8 glasses of water. The sound R. Beginning sound right, ride, rest, race, relax. Middle sound surprise, mirror, cry, fire. Ending sound soldier, lawyer, doctor, cheater, teacher. Friendlier, taller, shorter, older, younger, happier, faster, slower. Ask and answer. What do you do in your free time? I ride a bike, I read stories, and then I relax. Why does your brother cry? Because he's scared of the doctor. Can you tell me about your brother? My brother is taller, faster, and smarter. The sound L or R. Light, right, alive, arrive, lead, red, belly, berries. Example sentence. Eating berries can reduce belly. I can't write without a light. The sound L and R.